In today's lesson, Roses Are Red, we're going to listen carefully to find out exactly what things are red and what things are blue in the nursery rhyme. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Sugar is sweet, and so are you. Roses are red. Roses are flowers. Violets are blue. Violets are also flowers. Sugar is sweet. Sweet is how sugar tastes. And so are you. In today's read aloud, Ring Around the Rosie, we're going to listen carefully to find out what the nursery rhyme tells the children to do. Ring around the Rosie, a pocket full of posies. Ashes, ashes, we all fall down. Ring around the Rosie. Ring means to make a circle around. A pocket full of posies. Posies are flowers. Ashes, ashes. Ashes are what is left when something burns. We all fall down. In today's read aloud, Rain, Rain, Go Away, we're going to listen carefully to identify the main character. Rain, rain, go away. Come again some other day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Away means not here. Come again some other day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. In today's read aloud, It's Raining, It's Pouring, we're going to read another nursery rhyme about rain. Listen carefully to identify the main character. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and he bumped his head, and he couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. Pouring means raining very hard, and snoring is a noise made while sleeping. He went to bed and he bumped his head, and he couldn't get up in the morning. In today's read aloud, Jack Be Nimble, we're going to read about a character who jumps over something. Listen carefully to find out who the main character is. Jack be nimble. Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Jack be nimble. Nimble means able to move quickly and easily. Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. A candlestick is a holder for a candle. In today's read aloud, Little Jack Horner, we're going to read about a character who eats something. Listen carefully to identify the main character and events in the nursery rhyme. Little Jack Horner sat in a corner, eating his Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum, and said, "What a good boy am I." Little Jack Horner sat in a corner, eating his Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum. A plum is a small fruit. And said, "What a good boy am I."